Hi, and welcome to Advanced Amazon Bundles. I wanted to quickly welcome you to the course and congratulate you for taking the next step in growing your Amazon business. My name is Josh Manus, and I'll be your instructor for this course. And I've been working online in many areas for the better part of the past decade, but I've had most of my success selling physical products on Amazon. Now, I started out doing retail arbitrage and online arbitrage, but because of the increased competition, I found myself looking for other ways of selling, which led me to the strategy I'm going to be teaching you. Now, before you dive in, I want to quickly go over what you can expect from this course. Now, in the How to Choose Your First Bundle Products video, I'll be showing you some key ways of starting your first product bundle. This first step is a big hurdle for some people, as it was for me when I first started. So I want to show you how I overcame this issue with 3 easy ways for finding great products to start your bundle. In the How to Create Your Product Listing video, I'll walk you through creating a product listing from scratch inside of Amazon. We will be going over the do's and don'ts of listing creation, as well as some tips on how Amazon works in your favor. Now, in the How to Find Search Terms video, I will show you the best ways for finding great search terms for your sponsored ads. We will look at some free ways and some paid websites that I use daily when starting my product ads. I have also gotten you a huge discount on one of those websites if you choose to use it. Now, in the How to Set Up Your Sponsored Ads video, I'll walk you through the process of setting up your first sponsored ad inside of Amazon's Sponsored Ads program. We will go over some very important factors for success, and we'll look at some key mistakes that some new sellers make. In the How to Read Your Data video, we will take the data that I collected from one of my sponsored ads and go over each of those specific points so that you'll understand how to best move forward with your bundle once you get the data from your sponsored ad. Now, understanding Amazon's data is key to success, and you definitely don't want to skip this video. In the How to Modify Your Ads video, I will show you the key steps in fine-tuning your sponsored ad for finding the most profitable search terms from your Amazon customers. This step is essential for getting the most out of your sponsored ad before optimizing your product listing. In the How to Optimize Your Listing video, we'll be doing just that, optimizing our Amazon listing. This is the part of the process that we've been doing all the work for. We will take the proven search terms from our sponsored ad and add them to the product listing in the back end so that we'll be able to grow our organic search results and prove to Amazon that our listing should have great search ranking. And finally, in the Eliminating Competition video, I will share with you the most effective way that you can guarantee that no other seller will be able to jump on your product listing, even if they find out where you're buying your products. Now, this method is used by leading Amazon sellers and is very effective when used in this bundling strategy. Now, I know you're ready to jump into the course, but first let me remind you that if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask away in the discussion board. Remember, I'm here to help, so please ask me anything that you're unsure of. So go ahead and dive in, and please be sure to let me know what you think of the course and also your many successes.